The students of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, had taken out a rally for creating awareness against tobacco use amongst the public. The rally, which had started from the school premises, saw students carrying placards and banners displaying the ill effects of tobacco on health of individuals. The rally also touched Laitumkrah Point and culminated at the school compound. One of the teachers representing the school, Nivedita Lingdor, spoke on the rally that was taken out by students of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, despite the heavy rainfall during the event.
On behalf of the principal of St. Anthony's and the school students, I would firstly express my gratitude to the government for giving us this opportunity to campaign on this World Tobacco Day and saying no to tobacco. It is indeed a very important initiative for us as a school because many of our students are indulging in tobacco in some form or the other. And what we feel is that we humbly request the government to make many counseling centers, especially for young children, so that they can fight this menace against tobacco.